Hello VC. It's just a quick video. Today's Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving, and I thought I'd talk about some of the music I enjoyed listening to during Thanksgiving. So first off, this is actually on CD. I don't have it on vinyl. We have Miles Davis, the Cellar Door Sessions, 1970 box set. It's got about 6 CDs. I hope this is in focus. I also enjoy listening to John Coltrane a lot too. I do have some of his stuff on CD, but it's just in a binder somewhere. I don't have the CD boxes anymore for that. I went through a phase where I was trying to reduce the space that my collection took up, and I got rid of all the boxes and put them all in books and stuff, which looking back on was kind of stupid because I like looking at the boxes and the books and stuff like that. So now I'm working on getting my collection back to having the original CD boxes and such. Anyway, moving on, I also enjoy listening to a lot of Arlo Guthrie on Thanksgiving, and of course there is the Alice's Restaurants album, which I do have on vinyl. However, it is not. I couldn't find it today. It must be in my storage or something. But here are a few of the Arlo Guthrie albums that I do have. This is Amigo. Get that so you can see it. These records are pretty beat up, pretty old. Reprise Records label. Oh, and here's a promotional copy of Arlo Guthrie's One Night. This record needs to get clean. There's big fingerprints on it. Looks like just a self-titled album. Get on the Reprise label, Reprise Records. And this is Arlo. This copy of this record is really beat up. The jacket is taped together, really worn. Vinyl is kind of scratched too. Reprise Records once again. Slightly, their label on this one is slightly different color scheme. A little darker orange at the top. Last of the Brooklyn Cowboys. This one is Gatefold. This a bunch of lyrics, minor notes. Hobo's Lullaby. This is gatefold as well. Some drawing. Actually, I'm not sure who drew the gatefold art. Doesn't seem to be any credit that I can see on the album itself. Here's the back cover. We got Arlo reading a copy of a Thor comic. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty cool. There we go. Retrace label. A lot of Arlo. Love Arlo. Really enjoy Arlo Guthrie. And here we go. This is the last one I have right here is Washington County. Get back into this view. Okay, so Arlo, and then one of the other things I really enjoy listening to, especially on Thanksgiving Day, is the soundtrack to the Ralph Bakski's Lord of the Rings. I grew up watching that cartoon as a kid. In fact, I remember they used to, at least for a short period, sometime in the 80s, they would play it right around Thanksgiving all the time on television. And of course, it was chopped up and, edited, but still enjoyed it quite a bit. So, here we go. Lord of the Rings soundtrack, Ralph Bakski, Gatefold. I can't tell if you can even see this. Glare from the lights. Here's the back cover. Composed and conducted by Leonard Rosenman. Fantasy Records. Labels got some Lord of the Rings illustration on it as well. And this isn't any vinyl, but as I was mentioning the Ralph Bakski Lord of the Rings, I did recently find a version on Blu-ray. Get a chance, certainly pick it up. It is fun. And then here are a couple new additions to my Thanksgiving listening collection. This is something I recently got a few months back. It's called Formidable Vegetable Sound System from Australia. It's what's playing right now in the background. Playing MP3 right now. This is which is a collection of songs that are inspired by permaculture. I'll put links below to the band's Bandcamp page. And then this is the last one I have to share, and I think I shared this in my first video as something that I recently just got. The Parlor Trick, which I have been listening to quite a bit the past few days. I really enjoy, and it certainly would work good for Halloween, but I just like it this time of year. This really kind of just fits. It's a great record if you can get your hands on it. Nice red vinyl. Heavy too. Alright, well, that's it for my Thanksgiving music that I enjoy listening to. And I'd like to know what Thanksgiving music you guys listen to. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Send me a link to a video. See you guys later.